Today we have the MAG544 W3, Infomir's latest IPTV set-top box. We're going to do a basic product overview and what you get in the box, etc., how to set up IPTV. Here's the power supply you receive in the box, the remote, the set-top box itself, an HDMI cable, a manual with some manual instructions / power supply information, and of course you get the box itself. Let's move over to the boot up of the MAG544. We should start at the settings tab here. I typically go to interface first. If you're using this in an IPTV set-top environment, you want to change this to IPTV channels. So if the box experiences power hit, it shuts off, it gets turned off by accident, it will boot up straight back to that last tune channel you had. Other than that, we really don't change too much in this interface screen. If you never want the box to shut off, you can turn this to off, or you can have a timer for it to idle out and shut off automatically. Typically don't use that. That should really be it for this tab. You head over to this Playback tab. This is where your closed captionings, if you have them enabled, will come across in the delineated language you choose. You can change the size, the aspect ratio, etc. I usually just change this to English and English because we're located in the United States. That's basically it for the Playback tab. If you head over to the Software Update tab and hit F2, which is the green icon on your remote, it'll tell you the latest revision and what's available. Mine's the latest and greatest, so I don't need to update it at all, but you would update it here if you ever needed to. We can head over to the Video tab. You can match this video output mode to match your TV's resolution. This device I'm on supports 1080p 60. I put this in 1920 by 1080. There's all these different settings you can do, same as video. I typically set it to the highest, so it always uses that. Next, I'm going to head over to the System Settings tab. I'm going to scroll down to Advanced Settings. Put my time zone in America, New York, because we're located on the East Coast. HDMI CEC, this is if you want to use the remote to control the TV as well. You can leave this enabled or disable it. That's pretty much it for this tab. Want to head over to our Network tab now. Wired. For IPTV environments, we typically recommend setting it in a manual, not a DHCP address. If I hit the little I symbol on my remote, it takes me to network information. You can see I'm connected. I have an IP address, a subnet defined, and a gateway. So I'm all good here to receive IPTV video. Head out of this tab. If you're looking to add IPTV to your MAG544, you'll first insert your USB stick. USB storage will come up. You head over to the Home Media tab, scroll down to your USB stick, find your M3U file, select it, hit F3, which is the yellow button on your remote. I can see I added 64 channels. Now I'm going to head over to my IPTV channels, and I should have some live video here.
Are obviously the ones that have been pretty
Here's
vocal and
CNBC.
have opportunities to
Everything
switch
appears to be
and
working
where there could
fine.
be lasting damage for Boeing to the extent that,
I can see the
they're not
UDP
being
address it's
transparent with
pointing at.
customers.
That basically concludes the product overview of the MAG544. If you have any questions, concerns, you want to purchase one, you can reach out to Toner at 1-800-523-5947.